Welcome back to the channel CAD Cormoran, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to convert a SketchUp file into an IFC 2 by 3 file. So basically IFC 2 by 3 is an industrial standard format used by building information modeling BIM software. It allows architects, engineers, and contractors to share structural, spatial, and mechanical models across different platforms like Revit, AutoCAD, and Tekla. It was basically released in 2006. It remains one of the most widely used schema versions in the industry today. To provide more specific context, IFC 2 by 3 format is widely used in Revit and ArchiCAD also. So learning how to convert a SketchUp file into a IFC 2 by 3 file is a really good deal, and you should know it. So it is very simple. First of all, you have to do is make the whole model as one group, and in that you have edges, faces, lines, and groups. That is okay, but overall the whole model should be one group. After doing that, you have to go to file, then you have to select on export. I- in the option of export, you have to go to 3D models. In 3D model, in the option of save as type, you have to select the IFC 2 by 3 file, which is .ifc file, and just name whatever you want and just press on export. So I won't be able to open the IFC file for you and show you because I don't have Revit or ArchiCAD on my system, but here it is the CAD component.ifc file. So this IFC file you can easily use in any software like Revit, AutoCAD, Tekla, ArchiCAD, and whatever more softwares that supports this file format. So this is how simple it is to convert a SketchUp file to a IFC 2 by 3 file. So if you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.